friends, welcome back to the channel. Get understanding. Don't memorize. This is a continuation of a series of lessons on what binary operation. That is 12 final exam questions on binary operation in what further mathematics or elective mathematics. Yes, we are still looking at what binary operations. 12 final exam questions in what further mathematics or elective mathematics. Yeah, this is the theory question. So far, we are all the questions we've been solving are theory questions. Yes, they answer all hot questions in this section. All questions carry equal marks. Okay. This is the question number. It says that a binary operation triangle, a binary operation triangle, a binary operation star, a binary operation star is defined on the set R of what real numbers by what m star n is equal to 2m plus 3n minus 3mn, where m and n belong to what the set of what real numbers. A. Determine whether or not the operation star is commutative. B. Find y such that x star y is equal to what? Y. State the value of s for which there exists no such y. Okay, this is interesting, guys. It's not difficult at all. Okay, the first one. So this is the question. Normally, we have to write the question. It's the theory question. We are giving what we are giving. We are giving m what? M star hot. M star n is equal to 2. This is 2m plus what? 3n. Okay, 3n minus what? Minus 3mn. 3mn. And then we are told that m, n belong to the set of what? Set of real numbers. That's so you should find what? Determine A, whether or not the operation is what? Operation star is commutative. So we can say that the operation star is what? Is commutative. 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 If what? If m star n is equal to what? N star what? N star m. Yes. So if this is equal to this, irrespective of the order, if you get the same thing, then it means that the operation is what? Commutative. We know that m star n is equal to what? 2m plus what? 3n minus what? 3m. And the operation will never be, if you really know, you really understand, you know that the operation will never be commutative because of the coefficients of what? M and n. Yeah. And then so this is what we have. So this it implies that n ought to be n star m will be equal to this time 2. So whatever we see, it means that n is first. So we have 2n plus what? 3m minus what? 3n what? nm. So this is the same as what? 2n plus what? 3m minus 3mn. But is this equal to this? No, this is never, which is not equal to what? Which is not equal to m star what? Star n. Okay? So let me give you an example. For example, let's take 1 star 2. For example, 1 star 2. Example, let's come here. Where should we go? Okay, let's come here. Okay, let's come here. 1 star 2. What will be 1 star 2? 1 star star 2 will be equal to what? 2 times what? 1 plus 3 times 2 minus 3 bracket 1 times what? 2, which is equal to what? Is equal to 2. So this is 2 and 3 times 2 is what? Plus 6 minus what? This is 2, 6. Okay, minus 6. What do you get? You get 2. Have you seen? So this is 1 star hot. 1 star 2. Let us turn it and find 2 star 1. What is 2 star 1? 2 star 1. Let's come up here. 2 star 1 will be equal to what? 2 star 1 is equal to we have 2 times 2 plus what? 3 times 1 minus 3 into bracket what? 2 times what? 1. Okay, so this is equal to what is 2 times 2? Have 4, and then plus 3 times 1 is what? 3, and then 2 times 1 is 2 times 3, so minus what? Minus 6. What do we get? We get 7 minus 6, which is equal to 1. Have you seen? So this is 1 and this is 1. So have you seen? 1 star, whilst 1 star 2 is giving us 2. 2 star 1 is also giving us 1. So we have seen that the operation is not commutative. Yes, so we can say that hence operation star is what? It's not commutative. Okay, it's not commutative. That's interesting. Yeah, you have to understand, you know. So whenever you have coefficient in front of the numbers or the variables, then you have to open your eyes. Yes, So don't confuse. So we are saying that you find what B. B says what you find y such that S star what star y is equal to what? Is equal to y. Is equal to y. This implies, what does it imply? S star, what is S star y? Is equal to what? S star y. From here you get what? 2. Sorry, what have I written? S star y. I've written y star y. So okay, it implies that x star what star y equal to, from the definition you get 2s plus what 3y minus what 3x what y. So this is s star y. I say s star y is equal to y. So it means that this is equal to what? Y. It says you find y such that find y. You have to make y what? Make y the subject. Okay. Yes, you have to make y the subject. Yes, you have to make y the subject. So what you do is that you can send all these things all to this side. Okay. So yes, so you can say that this implies, what does it imply? It implies that you have 2s. You can maintain the 2s here. 2s is equal to, you have y here. Y plus what? 3 or 3s y. Okay, 3xy. 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 Then we have minus what? Minus 3y. Okay, minus 3y. Have you seen? So we have this. Don't forget. So this is equal to, you can say that. So you can bring the 3xy first. Then we have plus y minus what? 3y. What is so this 2s is equal to that. You have to mind, you have to know that. So this, because it is this whole thing, that's if we've written this whole thing as this. Okay, so y minus 3y, you get negative 2y. So you get, and is equal to 3s y minus what? 2y. Have you seen? What does it imply? So it implies that 2s is equals what? 3s y minus what? 2y. Have you seen? You can change the equation. We are looking for y. Say find y. So you have to make y the subject. So what you do is that you can turn this. This implies that you can say 3s y minus what? 2y is equals what? 2s. Okay. So this implies we have to find y. How do you find y? Factorize y. Y is common. So y out. We have 3s minus what? Minus 2. Okay. 3s minus 2. This is equals what? 2 what? X. Okay. So this implies that what? Y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2s all over 3s minus what? Minus 2. Okay. Yes. 3s minus 2. So this is what we have. Instead of state the value of s for which there exists no such y. S, the value of s for which y does not exist, or y is undefined, y that is not defined. That's what it's trying to tell you here. That's what it means. So for y to be defined, it means that the denominator must never be equal to 0. If the denominator is equal to 0, it means y will never be defined. So when would the denominator be equal to 0? If the denominator is equal to 0, it implies that what? If the denominator is equal to 0, which implies if y will never be defined if and only if the denominator, which is 2s minus 3s minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies 3s is equal to 2. Implies s is equal to 2 over 3. So whenever s is equal to 2 over 3, it means that the denominator will become, this one will become 0, and y will not be defined. So we say state the value of s for which there exists no y. So hence, yeah, value of s for which there exists no such y is what? Is what? Is 2 over 3. It's 2 over 3. Okay? Yes, this is over. It's 2. It's 2 over what? Over 3. Guys, this is interesting and very enjoyable. Hope you are enjoying your following. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are really benefiting. It's a theory question. You have to solve more of these questions so that in fact you get exposed to different style of exam questions, so that in the exams you find things very easy and simple. You enjoy. Also, understanding is power and it is fast. So get to understand it anywhere in the channel. And plus, guys, subscribe to the channel, share the lessons with your friends. Don't forget to ask whatever questions that bothers you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So thanks.